My name is Brooke, and today I'll be showing you how to use the website Google Documents. Google Documents is a Google-based product, therefore you need to start by going to google.com. Once you're there, you'll click on the search bar and type in Google Documents. Then you'll click on the first link that says Google Docs. Google Docs is abbreviation for Google Documents. Then you'll click on the blue button here, Go to Google Docs. This is the sign-in page. If you already have a Gmail account, you can type in your email or phone number here. If you're a first-time user, you'll click More Options and Create Account. Once you typed in your email or phone number, you'll click the Next button. Then you'll type in your password and click Next to log in. This is a Google Docs home screen. There are many different ways you can start your document. You could use a template here, or you can start with a blank document. You can also view your previous documents down below here, unless you don't have any, then it will say no text documents yet. In order to start, you'll click a blank document, you'll just click the button. There are many different things you can do with your document. You can change the font size, and you can do many different things with your words. You can make it bold, you can italicize it, underline it, or even change the text color. Then, when you are done working with your document, you have to name your document in the top left where it says Untitled Document. All you have to do is click your document and type in your name. In order to save the name of your document, you'll click back on the document. Another good thing about Google Docs is that it saves your work as you type. At the top, it will say Saving, all changes saved in Drive. When you are done working with your document for the day, or finished with it, you can click the blue menu button here in order to go to your Docs home. Here, you can see your document that you worked on below. There are 3 different things you can do with your document by clicking the 3 dots in the bottom right. You can rename your document, you can remove it into the trash, or you can open it in a new tab. Once you are done working with your Google Docs for the day, in the top right should be a letter of your initial. If you click that and click Sign Out, it will sign out of your Google Docs completely. Thank you for watching.